So welcome to my channel and welcome to the official unboxing video of the Akai MPK Mini Plus keyboard on this channel. And this was $170 MIDI keyboard. So without any further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my knife to unbox this, and always cut away from you. Remember that. Don't want to hurt yourself. And I'm not a lefty. Close that so I don't hurt myself. And put this down for now. There it is. If I open here, this is documentation, manuals, and the cable. This right here, I'll make sure to get a top down shot of just this cable alone. And this is the keyboard itself. Let me just put the box away. You also get these things. I don't know what they're called, but they'll always come with your brand new TV. Let's take those off. And looks cool. And this comes in a plastic here. This is slightly bigger than the Mini. This is the Mini Plus, so it's slightly bigger. So if I'm not wrong, this one has 37 keys. And time to get it out of this plastic. Where is it? There it is. Nice, geez, nice ASMR there for you. So this is it, and it has this plastic on top of it. I'm gonna just rip that out. So satisfying. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. 37 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 30, 31, 36, 37 keys. And let me just rip this off. And in here is your manual, and your hit song starts here. This is a bunch of whatnot. And this is the manual. And this right here, just open this real quick. Kind of a tough situation doing top down shots here since I don't have the right tools. Kind of a situation here. Okay, this is the cable itself, just kind of like the Mini. This is the Mini Plus, by the way. That's why it is slightly bigger. And this one comes in mostly white, touches of black. Geez, don't mind my stutter. Some touches of black and a red here, which kind of looks sick. And these are your touch pads, which is 8. And this, I don't know, arpeggiators. I don't know how to pronounce that right. Whatever. And this is the tuner, if I'm not wrong. And tempo setter, sync, pitch, all these here. But I'm gonna test this and try to make a beat. I'm not that good anyways, but I'll try. This is your BPM, which is also tempo, I'm guessing. And yeah. But that's it for this video. I guess I'll see you guys in the official review video, where I will get to also make a beat and put this thing to the test. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheerio and stay cool.